be quizzing. Okay, okay. 1, 2, 3.
The International Leadership Foundation Los Angeles chapter celebrated its 13th annual installation luncheon on September 14, 2024. Held in Alhambra, Southern California, this event brought together community leaders, elected officials, students, and supporters of the Asian Pacific American community for an inspiring afternoon.
I'm in involved activities such as debate, choir, student ambassador.
So keep assembling your set of leadership skills.
The luncheon was hosted by LA Chapter Chair Judy Tsai and co-chair Dr. Jessie Hong, who welcomed attendees and introduced a lineup of distinguished guests. Over the past 13 years, the LA chapter has raised over $400,000 to support the mission of the International Leadership Foundation. It has hosted the annual Youth Leadership Workshop, which has trained more than 600 high school students. In recent years, they have added a speech contest and a student-led seminar to the program for local high school students.
I am so proud of the International Leadership Foundation. Its LA chapter, for one thing, has done so much to help the youth of this area.
We were honored by the presence of Congresswoman Judy Chu and California State Assembly member Mike Fong. Their messages focused on the significance of community representation and the ongoing work needed to ensure the voices of the Asian Pacific American community are heard at all levels of government. Next, ILF founding president Chilling Tong delivered a speech. A highly respected leader in the Asian Pacific American APA community, Chilling Tong is known for her work in promoting leadership, entrepreneurship, and public service among APA individuals. She shared her joy and excitement about her newly published autobiography, Door of Opportunity, in which she recounts her journey from being a foreign exchange student to becoming a public figure in U.S. bipartisan government affairs. Her words highlighted the importance of empowering Asian Pacific Americans to take on leadership roles in public service. Her vision and dedication continue to inspire a new generation of leaders. Former Undersecretary of the U.S. Department of Transportation, Joel Sabat, followed, sharing insights on the crucial role of civic engagement and public service in building a strong, diverse society. The event also featured the installation of the new advisory board, a group of dedicated individuals committed to advancing ILF's mission. Chilling Tong presented the board members with their certifications. A highlight of the luncheon was the presentation by workshop students. They showcased their learnings, passion, and the future potential of Asian Pacific American youth stepping into leadership roles. It was a testament to the impact of ILF's programs and the bright future ahead. The ILF LA chapter awarded 5 outstanding students with this year's scholarships. The day culminated with a powerful keynote address by Alice Chen, Chief Executive Officer of 99 Ranch. Alice joined 99 Ranch in 2007 as Chief Financial Officer and became CEO in 2018. During her tenure, 99 Ranch tripled in size and expanded to 10 new states. She spoke about her journey, the challenges she overcame, and her passion for food, education, and family. Her words resonated with all, leaving the audience motivated to pursue their paths with determination and courage. The ILF LA chapter's 13th annual installation luncheon was a celebration of leadership, community, and the shared goal of empowering future generations. To everyone who participated, thank you for being part of this incredible day.